Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I'm super excited to open this sneak peek for you from Captured by Radiance, featuring Romantz Art's work from the Winter King's Storybook. That's right, there's another edition coming out, and you might be thinking, well, what is True Heart doing behind? I just came back from a retreat and I almost am done with True Heart, and I thought I just wanted to show you the majesty and the beauty of Winter King's Storybook canvases from Captured by Radiance. All of these canvases are square, they're hand charted, they have specials. Now True Heart came with 10, let me see here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 specials. The new paintings are coming with 15 specials. Can you believe that? 15! That's more than 2 hands worth. Oh my goodness. But I wanted to give you an example. I still have to do his eye and a little bit around him and down here in his shadow area, and then I still have some of the stars up here to do, but I wanted to show you just the gorgeous sparkle of Captured by Radiance. Now this does have a few extra sparkles in it that I added myself, but it's absolutely gorgeous. You guys, you have to check it out. Now, before I open this, I want you to know everyone's like racing and they're like, but it's out of stock, it's out of stock. They've heard your cries. These are all going to be pre-order. It's going to have a special tab. They're going to pre-order them, and everything that is sold out for Winter King Storybook is also going to be available on that pre-order page, so you can grab anything that you have missed. And I have like half a dozen I need to grab. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll figure that out. So let's move True Heart out of the way so that we don't damage him, because he's absolutely gorgeous. And we are going to dive in to what is in here. All right, now on the end, now this one is not on the end, but most of the boxes, all of the boxes actually, on the end will have a picture. Because this is a pre-release, they did not have a picture on the box. You're also going to get it in this beautiful organza that says Captured by Radiance. All of these are actually put together by the amazing people at Captured by Radiance here, because they want to make sure everything is done with the utmost quality. All right, so here is our toolkit. And oh my gosh, two drill sets. We're going to open these in just a minute, and we're going to open the drill in just a minute, but we want to see this beauty unroll. I don't even know what it is. Noctessa. Oh my goodness. Let's see what Noctessa looks like. Look at these berries. These are going to be absolutely gorgeous. This is all, like I said, hand rendered square. It's got the clear plastic. It's got the poured glue. Let's get up close and personal so you can see the drill field. Absolutely gorgeous printing. You cannot deny what those symbols are. They're stunning. Right there. Okay. Here we, oh, it's a snow owl. How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can back the ship up just a bit for you guys. Okay, let's see here. You're going to get your sticker sheet. On the sticker sheet, here is what she looks like. Absolutely stunning. That's how many diamonds you have, 77,760. It is licensed by Romantz Art. It's Winter King Storybook. This is Noctessa. It is a 60 by 81 centimeter, and it is square. It's got 62 colors, and look at that. Look at that, 15 specials. You have got, what is that, 4 metallics and 11 dust. Now they call theirs unicorn poop because, you know, unicorns like to go with sparkle. Absolutely. Look at this. It's stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at all those blues. I can't wait to see where these metallics go. Look at the rendering. Oh my goodness, the feathers, they look like legit feathers. Now, I called the filigree, or the fancy part on the outside right here. It's just, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so while we're looking at Noctessa, let's open this. You're going to get your single placer, which you can put a multi-placer on the back. You're going to get your sharp tweezers. You're going to get a tray. You get a random washi tape. You're going to squishy. You're going to get a 4-placer, a 7-placer, the blue wax, and they always put in this amazing cover minder. This one is Ocean Jasmine, and it's a real earth stone. And this is, oh my goodness, it's a little mushroom. Look at that. It's a shroom. How adorable. Oh, I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, my magnet is in here somewhere. I'll have to find it. So, absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Oh, and then there's a straightener. A straightener. Okay, so let's put this all back in. Here we go. Okay, so I don't lose anything because I want to make sure I can use that mushroom. All right, now these colors, absolutely gorgeous. Look, this is all of your 310 right here. However, I thought there was going to be a lot of 310 with all the baggies I had with True Heart. And it was, but it was so amazing to help shadow the back. All right, twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. These amazing, beautiful colors, which we're gonna get out in just a few minutes and see what's going on here. Let's look at this. I have a white tray right here. Let's look at the drills. These are all resin. I'm doing the black so that we can see. Right there. Those are really nice. No trash, no tags on the end. Absolutely beautiful. And then we'll get out some of the pretty colors as well. But I like to check the 310s because those are the ones that tend to be a little on the questionable side. And then we have all these other beautiful olive colors. Let's see, that is 644, 611, 640, 610, all of these gorgeous colors. But let's open this. This is where most of the magic happens. Now, I know like the blacks and the other colors, they don't get as much flair or as much attention, but they actually, if you notice that Twinkle, Twinkle, Twinkle on True Heart, they really help all the other colors shine. So let's look. Let's look here. Oh my gosh, look. These are all the specials, people. Look at that. Those, I just grabbed a handful and they're all the specials. So we have this metallic. Goodness. This metallic. this metallic, and this metallic. And then we have these fairy dust. Actually, unicorn poop. Love that name, unicorn poop, because we are spreading some beautiful color. Now this, you can see the unicorn dust right there. You can see the mica powder, which is this silver white kind of color that absorbs the true color of the drill and gives it that sheen and that sparkle. So let's look at this beautiful red metallic right here. Gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now where does this go? This is 59. And this looks like it goes all over the berries. The berries. I don't want to lose any. They're so precious. Okay, so all these berries right here. So in here, right in there, there's a couple scattered through here. There's some in these berries. There's some in these flowers. Then you've got these beautiful flowers down here. They're scattered throughout all of the reds. Okay, and then I'm wondering, because these are the fairy dust. Yes, so I'm wondering right here, you've got the arrow. Yes, so these are all throughout right here in the leaves, all up and down here, all surrounding. So you're going to have fairy dust and metallics all together. That's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Let's look at the fairy dust real quick. See that right there? Shimmer and shine. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now I want to see where this blue fairy dust is going to go. 931. I absolutely love this color. This is the diagonal area, and it looks like they've scattered. I've made such a mess of this. Look at this mountain back here, right? Oh, this is stunning. These mountains, just stunning. So it looks like the arrows are giving you that sheen on the mountain right there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you have the 56. This color is gorgeous. 56. That is scattered through here as well. So you're going to have quite a bit all through the mountains. And then the sky. This is all fairy dust right here. It's got a ripple through here. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see what else. And then the arrows are like the little stars that glimmer in the sky. What? What? All right, and then we've got these yellow and golden metallics. Absolutely stunning. Those are going to be similar to my True Heart. They're going to be all here outlining this gold. And it's going to be gorgeous. It's going to give you that blingy, blingy, bling. Blingy, blingy, bling. I know, I'm not like others. This is scattered everywhere, but these, oh my gosh. These colors are just amazing. Just amazing. And they look neutral here in the bag, but as you can see with True Heart, with the hand rendering, it comes alive. Like, look at the black and how the black just helps lift the color and elevate the color. Just gorgeous. And that's going to be what this is going to be, right? Oh, they're going to be friends. They're going to be friends. I'm gonna hang them up on my wall. And then, of course, woo, I have Thorn Whisperer, and there's so many others coming. I can't wait. So please, please, please go grab this. It's hand rendered, it's square, it's resin, it's over and Captured by Radiance. It's going to launch, I know today is Tuesday, but it's going to launch on Wednesday starting at 9 o'clock. And you'll be able to run over and grab it. Actually, I'm sorry, let me take that back. 9 o'clock is when our sneak peeks start on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday you'll be able to go and grab it. It's going to be open from July 1st through July 8th, so you'll be able to go and pre-order it. It's going to take about 8 to 12 weeks, probably 8 to 10, but depending on where you live, to get to you, but it's totally worth it, and you're going to get blown away. So I can't wait until I see what you do with Noctessa. Please, please, please tell me, tell me, tell me. Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and you don't want to miss Romantz Art Winter King Storybook. Take care. Bye-bye.